BrownGirlBella.
Hi babes, it's me, Shannon B for BrownGirlBella, back to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury. Today, I'm going to bring you something different. Today, I'm talking about all things Jo Malone. I got some goodies for my birthday, and I also recently picked up a few other goodies that I wanted to pair with what I got, and I wanted to share with you what I do to get my own signature Jo Malone scent. If you are new here, hello, my name is Shannon and you are watching BrownGirlBella, where I bring you lips, lashes, and luxury. Today I want to bring you my favorite Jo Malone scents, how I use them, and how I layer them to create a scent that's uniquely my own. So first, let me share with you what I have. Now, I only have this size, and then I have the smaller deluxe sizes, and I have about 4 or 5 of those. The reason why I like this size is because I like to layer with multiple scents, and it just does not make good financial sense to get the big bottles where I would pay $142 for them when I can pay less than half of that amount to get this size, which I will get a much broader use for them. Now, there are some scents like the wood sage that I will always use, or the Mimosa and Cardamom that I would always use. So those I probably will get a bigger size for those. Now, when you buy the big sizes, you can also customize your tops. I love this idea of customization. It's been really great on the beauty realm in terms of lipsticks and compacts, to customize them and make them uniquely your own. So now Jo Malone has gotten into the game as well, and now you can customize your own scents. I love that idea. All right, here's the ones that I have and how I play with them. So the first perfume I want to share with you is the 154 by Jo Malone. It's called 154 because it was named for the street number of Jo Malone's first boutique that she opened up in London. So this is that fragrance. It was gifted to me by my man for my birthday, and the top note in here is mandarin. So when you first lift the bottle and you smell the fragrance, you're going to immediately smell something bright, a little tart. That's that mandarin. Second note you're going to smell is that English lavender. That English lavender is going to give it a woodsy kind of feel to it, but it's also a little floral as well. And it has that fresh green fruitiness, and it also is kind of soft, but if you know English lavender, it also has that kind of gritty smell to it as well. And then the base note is vetiver. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. I'm going to leave it here at the bottom. So if you guys understand French, you'll know what that is. But it's a clean and modern fragrance. I feel like it has that woodsy intensity, and it really is a deep fragrance. So it stands to reason why the base note would be so hard hitting. This is a really strong, woodsy fragrance. I think it would be perfect for a man, but I like it that it's also for a woman, so it's kind of unisex. And I think in terms of her fragrances, this is the most unisex fragrance that I've ever tried. So 154 is what I have. The next scent is what I actually wanted for my birthday. I don't know how I got mixed up, but this is the Fig and Lotus Flower. This is one of their newest scents. It is so luscious. You immediately smell that fig. It's one of the first notes that I smell in here. And it's kind of delicate, so it goes actually very well with the 154, because the 154 is kind of that hard-hitting woodsy smell, and then this was light and florally. So I like to layer putting 154 on first and then toning it down with the light floral scent of the fig and lotus flower. Beautiful together. It really goes very, very well. You can also pair this with the next thing I'm going to talk about. This is the wood, sage, and sea salt. It has all of the wonderful notes that you would expect, that woodsy smell, but it's not as deep as 154. And then you smell that clean ocean kind of salt spray water of the sea salt. It's just magnificent, and these two together is a very great combination. And I also pair the wood with the wood in 154. Again, it's going to tone it down a little bit, but still give you that sexy woodsy smell. So this is something that I would pair together if I were going out and you know, it's nighttime and I want to smell a little bit earthy. I would put these two together. And then during the day, if I want something really light, I will go with the fig and lotus flower. I'll pair that with the wood, sage, and sea salt. And then for nighttime with a little extra floral, you can do the 154 and the fig and lotus flower. The last one I want to talk about is Mimosa and Cardamom. Mimosa and Cardamom is going to give you that beautiful, freshly powdery kind of light airiness and scent to it. Top note is the cardamom. It has that cool spice, little hints of lemon. Mimosa is the heart note, so that's going to be the one that lasts a little bit longer. That's giving you that powdery mimosa kind of feel, adds a little bit of warmed honey to it, and it really is a, you know, just the heart of the fragrance. And then the base note is a tocana bean. Oh my God, it has wonderful hints of almond, vanilla, a little bit of tobacco. It has that richness, and it's just almost tangible to the fragrance. It's so, so sexy. I love this together with any of these. So you can pair it with the fig and lotus flower. You can pair it with the wood, sage, and sea salt. That's actually one of my favorite combinations. And now I've even started pairing it with the 154 and giving it a nice little freshness and scent to it as well. So these are my 4 that I keep in rotation currently. There's many others that I use from time to time. You know, I have a whole list of favorites. If you want more suggestions, I will put them in the description box. And of course, I will also leave it in the Shop with Shannon link below as well. So you can try it out. You can, you know, mix and match and come up with your own fragrance combination that will be uniquely yours as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you are not yet subscribed, come on over and join the Bella Brigade. All you need to do is click that red button and turn it to gray, and then make sure it stays that way by tapping that notification bell so you're notified each and every time that I upload. For now, you've been Bellafied. Take care, and I'll see you back here soon.